Hey guys, welcome back to Oyoyo Kitchen. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. This is going to be a simple one. I'll be unboxing one of my cooking utensils. I can't wait for you to see it. Thank you guys. So guys, you can see my box here. A huge one. This is Nama. Don't worry, you're gonna know what it is like. So let's get into unboxing proper. I can't wait to show you guys. This is my first time of unboxing anything in my channel, and this one is so precious to me. It was actually gifted to me by my beautiful sister now. So she's trying to like motivate me not to give up, not to stop, that I should continue to do what I love doing. So let's get into unboxing, guys.
Oh my gosh, Mom, what's that?
Let's find out.
Whoa.
That's gigantic.
Whoa, this must be heavy.
So guys, I have my box, I have my scissors, so we're going to get into it. I know. I know. Okay. Hold on, baby.
I'm so excited.
I know. I don't. Okay. Yep. Wow, guys.
It's a box inside of a box.
It's so heavy. Guys,
Wow.
this
It's
is
so
beautiful,
pretty.
right? It's beautiful. Let's see what is inside, guys. Where do we start from? Open it from here.
Yeah,
Okay,
open
okay.
here.
Oh, this is easier. So it has a seal, actually a seal part. I am really excited doing this, guys.
I wonder what's in the box.
I know. Oh my goodness, guys, this is Nama Juicer. Nama Juicer.
You got
yeah.
a new juicer?
Yeah, this is cold pressed Nama Juicer.
Wow, tiny box too.
Yeah, it comes in boxes.
Look, Mom,
this
it
one
says
said
Start here.
chamber set plus quick start guide. So this is actually where you
What
put
about this one?
your juicer. That should be
The strainer.
the strainer. Okay, smoothie strainer. Woo!
Whoa.
And this one is, and this one is the base. You can see. So it has small boxes. I really love the way they package this one. This one is the cup where you pour in the juice, and this one is the pusher, again cleaning brush. So let's get them.
Mom, wait, you missed something. It says a warm welcome from Nama.
Oh, I forgot that part, guys. Out of excitement, I'm gonna take this box
To the girl.
down. We're going to open all the boxes to assemble the product as well. Box number one, we have juice container. I'm so excited, guys. Oh yes. Box number two is the pusher and a cleaning brush. So the pusher is actually, the thing that you use to press down the fruits and vegetables. That's what it is. So let's open. And this one comes with a cleaning brush and the pusher. I'm not advertising for any brand. I'm not paid for any advertisement. So please, this is not an ad video. I'm just showing my product, my beautiful juicer, gifted to me by my beautiful sister that loves what I do. So box number three is the chamber set quick start guide. So this is actually getting interesting. Oh, and she bought a white one for me. Is it white or black? Oh, a black one. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, this is it, guys. Get ready with me in this channel, and this is the start guide. Everything is assembled here for you to learn. I'm going to open it as well. So, and this is it. Okay. It really looks nice, don't you guys think so? Okay, this is a cold pressed juicer. Remember, I've always been juicing and I have a fast juicer, so I'm going to be doing an experiment with this beautiful product. So box number four. Ooh, this one is heavy. Wow. So box number four. This is just for protection. And this one is the cable. Okay.
quick.
So let's get the, oh my goodness, this one is heavy. Ooh. Okay, guys. Okay. This one is them. Oh, it's actually white. I don't understand these people. You'll be thinking that it's going to be white base, white everything. I hope they've not done Ojoro to me. So this is the base, guys. Okay. Yeah, so easy to assemble.
That looks like a blender though.
No, it's a juicer. It's a juicer.
Wow.
So
It's white and black?
I have no idea why it's white and black. I was expecting to be either all white or all black. But it's okay. Maybe that's
It's
how
so beautiful though.
it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
So can I make smoothies with it?
No, you'll be using the fast juicer. I know. I know this one is very expensive. Okay, to handle. Okay. So guys, this is the last box, the box number 5, and it comes with the strainer. Okay, I think it has one inbuilt here, so I'm going to find out where to fix this one. So these are all the things that came out from the box. Okay, and this is the one that is going to be most interesting because you know what? Yeah, we have to read the manual. Okay, guys, so we don't make a mistake in understanding our cooking utensil. Okay, so this one is the Nama quick start guide. Okay, it tells you about assembling and everything you need to know, and it comes with recipe. Yeah, who is excited as I am? Because guys, get ready. I know you guys will wonder, I've added on a few pounds. Pardon me, okay? Well, trust me, with this baby here, guys, with this baby here, we're going to walk down on those pounds. So I have Nama juice recipe. Hey guys, get ready. In fact, my day is made. And this one is the instruction, okay? Safety instruction, important instruction, and everything you need to know. Like I said, this is not ad for Nama, it's just unboxing. My first ever gift since I started my YouTube channel, and it came from no other person than my beautiful sister that loves what I do. Guys, help me thank my precious sister in the comment section. She is a good gifter. This worth some money. Thank you guys. All right guys, until I see you in my next video, keep watching because Oyoyo Kitchen is back with the bang.